Number 1. Medicinal herbs and plants. More than 100 different plants, as we spoke of earlier in this presentation, have been used traditionally in brewing beer. Plants used in brewing were chosen for their flavors and aromas, and also for their medicinal qualities. Number 2. Carbon dioxide. More important than oxygen, CO2 is vital for all living organisms. In the body, carbon dioxide acts as an antioxidant, a vasodilator, and is essential for oxygen use by cells via the Bohr effect. Much of the CO2 drank in beer, pop, or carbonated water is burped up, but the amount that is absorbed and retained will be of benefit. Number 3. Brewer's yeast. Brewer's yeast is rich in B vitamins, and other vitamins as well. Although all beer is fermented using brewer's yeast, most brands remove the yeast before bottling and selling it. Buying beer that has been bottle conditioned means it was carbonated inside the bottle and contains live yeasts. Just look for a layer of yeast sediment on the bottom of the bottle. That's how you know it contains these live yeasts and lots of B vitamins. Gently swirl the beer inside the bottle to mix it before drinking.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.